That little girl found dead in Amherst, her mother accused of killing her. And today the case took a new turn. News 4's Brittany Smallwood is here with the latest on this.
Jordan, an Erie County court judge has ruled that the statements Candace Cartagena made to police will be used in her murder trial. A 17-page document lays out what Cartagena explained to officers. Of the 6 statements, 2 were not allowed in. Erie County Judge Thomas Franzik ruled that statements Candace Cartagena made to police will be allowed in court during her trial. Cartagena is accused of killing her 8-year-old daughter Bianca in 2010. Her defense attorney, John Nucciarino, initially asked for her statements not to be allowed in court, but 4 of the 6 are being permitted. He says she responded to questions because she wasn't a suspect. Her Miranda rights had not been read.
She's a woman who's found emotionally distraught, drug overdosed, drug influenced, bound for a psychiatric admission, and they're just trying to piece together what had taken place.
The night Bianca's body was found lifeless in her mother's bed, police say they found Cartagena heavily medicated and moaning in the backyard shed. Officer Mark Dolden asked her what pills she took. Cartagena said she took 6 medications in hopes of killing herself. Detective Ed Solak later asked Cartagena what happened that night. The Amherst mother admitted that she'd been in and out of consciousness and didn't recall much besides waking up on the couch and being wet from urine. Cartagena also explained that she was unemployed, having problems in her marriage, and that her house was in foreclosure. The detective asked how she ended up in the shed. Her reply was, quote, "I never go in there. I hate the shed. All my husband's stuff is in there." Cartagena's defense attorney says even though her statements will be allowed in court, they made no admission of guilt.
The statements themselves aren't harmful, and the statements have to be taken for what they were. A woman who had just gone through an incredible ordeal for a lengthy period of time.
Cartagena is charged with second-degree murder. She's expected to go to trial next March. Reporting live, Brittany Smallwood, News 4 at noon.